Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we start chapter 8, more tools in Flash. For this, open Flash. You can see here Micromedia Flash 8. When you click here, this Flash will be open, and there are three options in Flash. First is open a recent item, second create new, and third one is create from template. So I select second one, and here first option is Flash document. Select this option. You can see this window will be appear, and here you can see different tools. In this chapter you learn about three tools: line, oval tools, and rectangle tool. So first one is pen tool. For this you can see this is pen tool. Select this tool, and you can see here color is appear red. You can change the color from this color palette. You can change this any color, and here you can see width of the pen is 1. You can change this like 3, and this is solid line. Okay, select this solid line and make any line. For example, I select this line and draw it. So this line will be appear. Now make another line like this one, or you drag this line and click. If you click here, this line appear here like this one, and join this line, and you can make close path. So select this one or select this to this one. So this, when path become close, you can see its color inside path is changed because second color is also green color is selected. And if you want to make like this one, select this line like this, join to this, close this. Okay, and for this select this color. From you can change the color like, okay, and place here, so color will be changed. So in this way you can make irregular shape or regular shape. You can draw any shape, and when this shape become close, you can change color inside by picking this color bucket, and you can change color by this color palette. Okay, so this is the first one is pen tool. Second one is eyedropper tool. For this you can see this tool is eyedropper tool. Select this tool, and here you can see size appear, background color is also appear. You can select any color of the background. For example, if you want to select a light color, this color will be appear. If you want to change the color like this one, so you can see color will be changed. In this way you can change the color, and also this will work if you change this here. For example, I select red one and select here. So you can see if you click on the boundary and click on the line, so you can see here this color will be changed. Here this remain as it is. For example, I select this as a green color, and this paint bucket tool I change the color as red. And if you want to change any other color, you can select from this property inspector or from here these tools. Select any other color like this one, and if you click here, this will be changed. And if you don't want this, so then press Ctrl and Z, this will be undo. Okay, and this is eyedropper tool. Now I want to apply another thing. This is importing pictures. So for this, what you do, you want to open another file, so click on file and new, flash document, and ok. So this will be appear. After this you want to import pictures. This is called stage area. Here you want to import pictures. So what you do, go on import. You can see here in insert tab, in file, here you can see import, and here you can see import to stage, import to library, or I want to import to stage, so click here. Okay, so here are some pictures in your laptop like this one. Okay, select any picture. For example, I select this butterfly and open it. Okay, this another picture is selected. If you want again, and control, and here you want import to stage. Okay, select any picture. For example, I again select butterfly, and so you can see this picture will be appear here in your computer. Different pictures, the pictures appear in order, but if you don't want in order, you select any picture according to your choice. After this, you can see here free form selected, and select on the object and select on free form. You can see this is selected. After this, you can rotate this picture. Its size you can increase or decrease. For example, if you want to increase the size, drag it, the size will be increased, or if you want to decrease the size, this will be decreased. And if you want to rotate the picture, you can see this sign appear, and if you want to rotate this side, this will be rotated. Okay, in any direction, if you want, like this one, like, okay, this will be rotated. Okay, next option is, now you want to apply next thing, gradient transform tool. For this, I open another file, and for this you can select any tool. I press this one, rectangle tool. Here you can see two tools more. Polystar tool, select this one, and here you can see this appear. You can select its size, and like this one color, you can select different color. Okay, and draw this tool. Okay, not here in the center. Suppose I want in the center, like this one. Okay, and if I select this, suppose white, this will be disappear. Now I want apply different colors. Go on window, and here you can see color mixer. Go on color mixer, and you can see different colors appear here. This time here one color is appear. So if you want this fill color, like 2-3 colors, like this one. Okay, this appear. Now select any other color. Here you can see solid. I select here radial or linear. Suppose you want select radial, you can see this one, and select more colors. For this, you can see like this one, and like this shape. Okay, now you want more colors, select this one, and from color palette, like this one, I select this. Okay, another color like this one, another color like this one, another color like yellow. So you can see how many colors you want. You apply different colors, this will be selected all. So you can see the shape like this one. Okay, so this will be appear like this because this is radial. If you want this linear, you can see this shape like this one, and you can increase or decrease the color by dragging this one this side, like this one, this, and here you can see. So in this way this gradient appear, and after this you can move this shape. This center line is used for width adjustment handle, and this is called rotation handle. This circle you can see here in the center, you see the point, this is called center point. For this, if I click on drag the center point, for this select it and drag it, so the second one is appear, and control plus Z, this will be finished, and select this again. Okay, you can select this, and like this one you can drag this in any direction, like this one, small, large, like this one. If I, so this direction will be changed, and you can move it again if you want to drag this, like this one. Okay, so its direction will be changed, and if you want to finish this, this will be disappear. So in this way, this is linear gradient and radial gradient. Now another next topic is about changing the color or transparency of an instant or of a symbol. But today I think this is enough. You will practice this. This is very interesting. This is just like drawing. I hope you will enjoy this topic.